Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use MiniChat in a quick and easy way. First, open the Play Store and search for MiniChat. Once you find it, install the app. I already have it installed, so I am going to open it now. When the app opens, you will see several sign-in options. I will choose Google and sign in with my Gmail account. After that, agree to terms and conditions and you will be taken to the main screen of the app. Next, allow the required permissions and you are ready to start using MiniChat. One of the cool features is that you can change countries for free and connect with people from different countries. You can also switch the layout style if you prefer something similar to Ome TV. That's it. Now you can enjoy using MiniChat on your device and start meeting new people. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.